The question is, the Fisher projection of D-rithros is shown below. This structure. Now D-rithros and its isomers are listed as PQRS in column 1. So PQ are here and RS are next slide. So kindly note these structures and also the names in column 2. Now choose the correct relationship of P, Q, R and S with D-rithros from column number 2. Okay, so these are all the possible combinations from which we have to choose, and this is the R isomer and the S isomer. Okay, so draw these two and let's see the answer. Okay, so P structure is this and this was given to us, so this is the final structure that is of D-rithros that was given to us, so therefore this is identical. Now Q and Q can be withdrawn like this, so Q is a diastereomer R. So let's see of R structure. R structure this and from this on translation. So R is also a diastereomer. S on drawing this structure of S for isomer, it is found that S is an enantiomer of D-rithro structure which was given to us in the question. So C option will be correct.